In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and fix an image size in your WordPress pages or posts. This can be particularly handy if you're looking to maintain consistency across your site or want to ensure images are displayed exactly as you intend them. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the specific page or post where you want to adjust your image. To do this, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where you manage all the elements of your website. Once you're logged in, look for the Pages or Posts section, depending on where your image is located. Navigate through your list and click Edit on the specific page or post that contains the image you want to modify. This will open up the WordPress editor for that particular content. Now that you have your page or post open in the editor, it's time to move on to selecting your image. Locate the image within the content and click on it. Doing so will highlight the image block, offering you options to customize it. Instead of the basic options, we're going to make use of some advanced settings to create a custom style. With the image block selected, go to the section labeled Advanced Settings. Here, you'll have the opportunity to add a CSS class, which is a bit of custom code that applies specific styles to the image. Enter a CSS class name like Fixed Image. This will act as a unique identifier for the style changes that we're about to make. The next step involves using the WordPress theme customizer to add some custom CSS code. This code will determine how your image displays on the screen. For this, head to the Appearance tab from your WordPress dashboard, then click on Customize. This will bring up the WordPress Customizer, which allows you to make aesthetic changes across your website. From there, select Additional CSS. This section is where you can enter custom CSS code to adjust the look and feel of your site elements. Here, you'll want to paste in a snippet of CSS code tailored to your needs. An example might look like this. Fixed image while width 500 px, height auto. This code essentially instructs the browser to display any image with the fixed image class at a width of 500 pixels while maintaining its natural aspect ratio with height auto. It's a neat way to ensure your images are consistently sized without stretching them awkwardly. After adding your CSS code, make sure to save your changes by clicking Publish in the customizer. And there you have it. Your image should now display at the specified size across your WordPress site. This approach not only gives you precise control over the visual presentation of your images, but also contributes to a more professional look and a more consistent user experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy editing!